Hi, in this video we're going to show you a tool you could use to actually restore the state of your computer to a previous time. So this is similar to System Restore, except it does a little more because with System Restore it doesn't affect your files when you actually do a restore, where this actually will affect your files and restore files from the backups that you make. So it's kind of like a combination of System Restore and a system image backup. All right, so it's called RollBack Rx Professional. So it's $40. They do have a 14-day trial, so you can check it out. So once you download and install it, you can run it. And they also have the snapshot validator if you want to check your backups or your snapshots. All right, so here's what it looks like. Here's the home screen. So you can see we're in demo mode. I have 4 snapshots on the C drive here, use space and free space. A couple scheduled tasks, which I'll show you in a second here. And the last snapshot on last restore. All right, so we have the Instant Restore tab here. So this will roll back the computer, and when you click on this, it'll just open up the screen that you see right here. Then we have the option here to recover files or folders from snapshots. So you can have it search for it. This seems to be kind of hit or miss, but you can try it out for yourself, see how it works. And then we have the Explore snapshot, so you could pick one of them. So let's say this manual one that I made here. If I click on Explore, it'll create a virtual drive with a drive letter. I could open it. You can see it's this removable disk here. Then it has all the files from the computer and so on. And then you could copy files right from it. Then you could close the drive to unmount it. All right, then we have our main snapshot tab here that will show you all your snapshots. You can make a new one from here, defragment them, validate them. If you want to test them out, then we have some tools here. If you want to lock or unlock them or delete them, explore them again, or actually roll back, you can look at the properties like so. Then you can change your view and you have some filters. Then you could also right click on them for some other options. All right, then we have our task scheduler. So it'll do a weekly defrag of your snapshots. This you might want to turn off if you don't want it to do a snapshot every time you turn on your computer, because that's what these are here, and they're going to start to take up space rather quickly. So if I delete that, so now that's gone. Then of course you could add another scheduled task for a snapshot to your computer here. All right, so now let's go back here and do a new snapshot. We'll just call this test, and you can lock it from here if you want. So click on next. This will take a minute or so to do. All right, so that was actually pretty quick. All right, so now this snapshot is the current state of the computer. So I'm going to delete this file. Go into the apps here and delete a program. So let's remove 7-zip, for example. Okay. And then we'll make a new file that should not be here. So this should be gone after we restore our snapshot. And then that PDF file should be back. And then 7-zip should be back after we restore it. All right, so there's 2 ways to restore the snapshot. You could do it right from here, or every time you boot up your computer, you're going to see a quick screen for this. And if you press the home screen, then you could get into your snapshots and restore it from there. So you don't have to be in Windows to actually restore your snapshots. All right, so we're going to right click on this one here. And we're going to choose roll back. And so now it tells you the computer has to be restarted to do so. So we're going to click on restart. All right, so there's the home screen option there to restore your snapshots if you're not doing it from within the GUI. So we didn't have to press it because we configured it to restore the snapshot from the program while in Windows. So we'll log in here. All right, so now you can see our accounting PDF file is back. That other text file is gone. If we go to our programs here, you see that 7-zip is back. So it actually restored the computer, the programs that were installed, and the files. All right, so now let's just do this one more time here. Delete this. Go back and uninstall that real quick again. All right, so now this time we're going to restart, and then we're going to quickly press the home key on the keyboard when the computer boots back up. All right, so now we're going to press home. You got to do it quick, so get your finger on that home button ready to go. All right, so now it'll load the interface here before even going into Windows. All right, so it has some tools here if you want to defrag your snapshot or look at system settings. You could even make a new one from here. And if you click on RollBack Computer, then you have this test one here that we just did. All right, so we'll select that one, click on Next. So it loaded it nice and quick. Okay, so we have the PDF back. And we also have WinZip back. So that's another way to restore your snapshots if you want to just do it from the boot up process instead of going into Windows. Or if you're having a problem with your computer and it's not starting up and the boot up option happens to work, then you could do a restore from there. All right, so let's go back in one more time here. So one thing I just noticed is the scheduled snapshot is still going, even though it's not there. So that's kind of interesting. So I'd have to look into that a little further. So you might have to check that out for yourself because I do not know exactly offhand why that's doing that, because it shouldn't be. And then of course you could come here and delete the snapshots that you don't want. Like so. All right, so once again, just install the program here. You have your home, instant restore options where you could do the rollback from here, recover, browse the snapshot if you want to get specific files out of it. And then you have your option here to create a new snapshot, validate your snapshot. And you have some tools here to lock and unlock it, delete it, explore it, roll back from here. And you have the right click options where you have similar choices here. Then you have your view options and your filtering. And then of course you could schedule snapshots as well. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download RollBack Rx Pro and then you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.